ngayon yung blood vessel mo. So that happens kapag in shock ka. When you say shock, nawawalan ka ng tubig sa katawan or kapag need mo ng more blood supply sa isang organ, ganun. Ayan. So this is, again, the blood flow through the blood vessels. You have your arteries, papunta sa capillaries, and then your vein. So now let's go to your arteries. So the classification of your arteries is that it can be either elastic or muscular. Okay, when you say elastic artery, they serve as your conducting conduit. They are the ones closest to the heart and they are the largest. Okay, so since they are the conduits taga-receive ng blood from the heart, ano tong mga arteries na to? These are your aorta, ano pa? Pulmonary vein. So don't be confused doon ha. The pulmonary vein is considered to be an artery kasi nga palabas siya doon sa heart. Okay? So yung histology niya, even though it is a vein, yung histological picture ni pulmonary vein resembles that of your arteries. Okay? Your aorta, your pulmonary, your common carotid arteries or subclavian, your common iliac, yung mga large vessels natin, they are mainly made up of elastic fibers and they are considered to be elastic arteries. Now, as it progresses throughout the body, mas lalong lumalayo yung mga blood vessels natin palayo sa katawan, ay sa heart, nagiging muscular sila. So that's why your muscular arteries are known as your distributing arteries. Anong function nila? To regulate blood flow to organs and other parts of the body. So, since these are muscular arteries, they are prone to, again, muscle contraction and relaxation. Okay? So, diyan mas lalong nagko-constrict and relax yung mga blood vessels mo. Ano yung mga to? So, you have now, kapag naka-reach ka sa paa, so nandyan sina femoral artery, brachial artery sa kamay. Okay? And then you also have your arterioles. Your arterioles are your smallest artery, okay? So they are 100 millimeter or less in diameter. They are also termed as your small resistance vessels that mainly regulate systemic blood pressure. I want you to take note of this one, okay? Your arterioles are your small resistance vessels that mainly regulate systemic blood pressure. So hindi ka nagbe-base sa pressure ng artery ng malalaking artery, okay? Yung systemic blood pressure mo ay nakabase doon sa pressure na nasa loob ng mga arterioles mo. Okay? So the walls contain 1 or 2 layers of circularly arranged smooth muscles. And then you have your aorta, pulmonary artery, and their largest branches and your conducting arteries. The ventricular contraction, which is your systole or systole. Your systole is the ventricular contraction. Kapag nag-contract si ventricles, there is a forceful movement of blood through your arteries. The elastins are stretched, and then the distended wall within the limit set by distend the wall within the limit set by the wall's collagen. Okay, kumbaga si elastin ang mag-a-allow for the blood vessel to expand, si collagen ang magre-restrict nun para hindi siya sumabog, 'di ba? Kumbaga sa balloon, kapag nagbubulo kayo ng balloon ng air sa balloon, 'di ba? May chance na pumutok 'yon, which will lead us later sa medical application. And then the ventricles relax, which is known as your diastole. When the heart relax, the ventricular pressure drops and then elastin rebounds passively. 'Di ba gaya sa elastiko, 'di ba? Kapag ni-stretch mo, pag binitawan mo, babalik siya. 'Yun yung rebound na passive na tinatawag natin, helping to maintain arterial pressure. So your aortic and pulmonary valves prevent backflow and blood into the heart, so the rebound continues to the blood flow away from the heart. Sila yung gateway, kumbaga, para hindi na bumalik yung napalabas na blood sa heart. And then your arterial blood pressure and blood velocity decrease and becomes less variable as the distance from the heart increases. So ito yung histological picture of your large arteries. So as you can see, you have tong mga arrow na to, ito yung tunica intima mo, okay? This is your tunica intima, this is your tunica media, and your tunica adventitia. So, gaining the knowledge from the information na sinabi ko kanina, as you can see here, in your tunica intima and your tunica media, the structure between